In global supply chains, a single missed deadline can cost millions. Imagine the ripple effect of delays across continents, affecting countless businesses and consumers. Coordinating international shipments is a complex dance. Each step must be perfectly timed to avoid costly disruptions. Traditional planning methods are cumbersome, often relying on outdated spreadsheets prone to human error. Introducing Seeloz SCX Configure to Promise Scheduler, a game-changer in supply chain management. It transforms guesswork into precision, ensuring you never miss a promise date. Seeloz, Configure to Promise Scheduler model, performs thousands of iterations, Monte Carlo simulations, to generate complete lead time probability distributions. Our models preserve the full statistical spread of historical performance data without artificial smoothing, delivering the exact percentile boundaries you need for risk-calibrated promise dates. With our system, you can easily run simulations for products to assess the availability dates of the constituent modules needed to build the ordered system. You can easily run simulations by entering a product name, quantity, and requested delivery date, with the option to automatically select the cheapest vendor for cost savings. The system also includes a module manager, allowing you to customize simulations by passing specific modules and their quantities for seamless processing. Let's walk through a real-world example using our Configure to Promise scheduler. Suppose we need to deliver MRI System 0003 by September 15, 2025, while prioritizing cost efficiency by selecting the cheapest vendor option to ensure maximum savings. Since we haven't predefined the modules, the system automatically retrieves all required modules from the database. When we run the simulation, the results confirm feasibility. Here in the system dashboard, you'll see this status confirmation, letting us know all modules are on schedule. This means the project is feasible and we're on track to deliver by the requested date. The system recommends placing the order with an expected completion by September 15th, exactly on time, as the requested delivery date at total cost of $445,186.59. The dashboard provides deeper insights. The Gantt chart provides a clear visualization of all module arrival timelines, giving you instant visibility into your delivery schedule. It automatically highlights any delayed components and proactively suggests available substitutes, helping you maintain your project timeline while optimizing your supply chain. Another powerful visualization is the lead time distribution chart. This gives us a clear data-driven view of delivery performance by highlighting the minimum, average, and maximum delays across our processes. By breaking down these trends, the system proactively flags potential risks, allowing teams to spot bottlenecks early, adjust timelines, and maintain smoother operations. It's an essential tool for staying ahead of delays and ensuring reliable delivery forecasts. And then we have a detailed module breakdown, lists each module's quantity, status, vendor, and price, offering end-to-end supply chain transparency. But as we all know, supply chains don't always run perfectly. Let's stress test our Configure to Promise scheduler, requesting the same MRI system for August 15th instead of September, giving us a full month less to work with. This will push the system to its limits, forcing it to find alternative solutions, optimize lead times, and potentially recommend substitute components to meet this aggressive new timeline. Watch how our intelligent scheduler adapts to this challenging scenario. After analyzing this accelerated simulation scenario, we encounter an important system alert indicating 3 critical modules are experiencing delays in the procurement pipeline. While this would typically impact our timeline, the system's intelligent resource management has identified 9 suitable substitute modules that can be deployed immediately. What makes this particularly valuable is how these substitutions allow us to maintain our committed delivery date of August 15th, 2025, without compromising quality or specifications. You'll notice the system's projected completion date currently shows August 27th based on standard procurement, but by activating these alternative modules, we effectively bridge that 12 days gap. This scenario reveals the system's ability to work within fixed supply chain constraints. While modules' availability dates are locked by procurement realities, our substitute modules create flexibility where it matters most, maintaining delivery commitments without compromising specifications. The system has flagged 3 critical modules requiring attention to meet our deadline. As shown in the Gantt chart, each delayed component has at least 3 vetted substitutes, all arriving before August 15th and accompanied by match percentages quantifying their compatibility. Let's examine one of these late modules, the digital board B0092, a critical component for our MRI system. The chart reveals this module arrives 11 days after our requested delivery date. However, the system has already identified 3 high-quality alternatives, each with over 90% functional similarity. We can now evaluate these substitutes side by side, comparing cost, technical fit, and exact arrival timing to make data-driven decisions. The module breakdown provides decisive data for our digital board B0092 decision. Let's analyze these 3 vetted alternatives. Substitute 693 offers 95% match at $33,103, arriving August 13th. Substitute 845 maintains 95% compatibility, but costs $33,711 for earlier August 12th delivery. Substitute 182 presents a cost-saving option at $31,338 with 85% match, arriving August 13th. The color-coded indicators instantly show price variances versus our baseline. With all options meeting our deadline, this intelligence transforms what could be a crisis into a calculated optimization opportunity. Now, let's stress test the system under even more demanding conditions. For our final scenario, we're moving the delivery date up by 2 full months to July 15th, 2025, pushing our scheduling capabilities to their limits. This aggressive timeline will truly put the system's contingency planning to the test as we simulate whether we can meet this challenging new deadline while maintaining all quality and performance standards. The system instantly detects the infeasibility. Since all the modules and their available substitutes cannot be fulfilled given the requested delivery date, instead of accepting the order and risking delays, it proactively suggests a realistic alternative: September 15th, 2025. Aligning with the system's production and delivery timeline. Though the order can be fulfilled, the system is upfront. The original deadline will be missed due to hard constraints. This transparency helps customers and planners make informed decisions. For this tight deadline, the module breakdown interface becomes our mission control for this scenario. Every available substitute is automatically evaluated against our July 15th target, with arrival dates, compatibility scores, and cost impacts displayed in real time as we explore different configurations. Now that we have covered all functionalities of Seeloz SCX Configure to Promise Scheduler, we want you to experience firsthand the precision and reliability that Seeloz SCX brings to your operations. By adopting SCX Configure to Promise Scheduler, you'll transform your supply chain management, ensuring every deadline is met with confidence. Join us in turning supply chain chaos into confidence. Visit Seeloz.com and take the first step towards precision.